Has your mother seen your brother in his police uniform? Yes, there's people that stop by with the newspaper because of my brother being a police officer, K-9, and on the drug task force. Then his picture obviously gets put in the paper when there's major drug busts or crimes happening. And my mom just bawled her eyes out the first time she's seen my brother, in a uniform and with a badge and a gun and all that. Ever since he became a police officer when he left the Amish, my mom was so upset because that's against their religion. They don't believe in being in a position where you should defend yourself or even take somebody's life. Some of the Amish have had incidents where they called 911, and my brother has been out in the community when backup was called, and usually it doesn't matter what the emergency situation is. The only thing they ask and they're concerned about is